What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to give you guys a quick look at the Nike Off-White Presto polar opposites in the black colorway. Before we get started, I just want to let you guys know I do have a US size 10 for sale, so if you guys are interested, hit me up on Instagram at S5Q. So these shoes released on July 27th at a retail price of $160, and for sizing I would say go true to size since these only come in full sizes. If you are a half size, I would recommend just going down half a size instead of going up that half size. So starting off with the box, it's pretty similar to all Off-White shoes. It comes with a backwards and opposite design. This is usually what the inside of a box would look like, but however on the Off-Whites this is the opposite. So it does say Nike swoosh on the front of the box. Opening up, like I said, that red right here usually is on the outside of the box, but Off-White, flip it around. So looking at the paper, it has the Off-White logos on it. Pretty nice paper. Inside you do have your traditional white paper as well. So on the lateral side of the shoe we have a white swoosh with an orange box in the front. This material is like a scratchy material. It's like an off-white color. It's not fully white. We do have the semi-translucent cage as well as the Nike swoosh in the middle, similar to all Nike Prestos. In the back we do have a Velcro strap that says Air. On the medial side we have the semi-translucent cage as well as the imprinted off-white words inside. And the swoosh in the midfoot. And then we do have a tag that says Made in China, as well as the Off-White red zip tie. Now looking at the tongue of the shoe, this is a foam padding that is disconnected a little bit right here, as well as disconnected at the top. And you do have your traditional tongue underneath. And you have a Nike logo on the left side, more closest to the lateral side of the shoe. Looking at the shoelaces, you have your traditional off-white laces with the word shoelaces on them. Looking at the insole, it has the off-white logo as well as says the 10. Also, these come with the extra set of orange laces. They also say shoelaces on them. Giving a quick look at the bottom, it's a full black bottom with the waffle tread pattern featured on all Nike Prestos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you guys in the future. So please like and subscribe. Thanks.